We are headed to Toronto. We're on the 427. We are almost in Toronto. It's another vlog. I know, so many vlogs coming at you. So, was gonna go to Grand Bend, decided against it. Thought, you know what? I haven't done my Toronto trip, my yearly Toronto trip that I do. So, without further ado, start the video. Welcome to Toronto. Gonna get some gas. Look at that. Almost out of gas. No, just kidding, at half. But I need to get some before we go head downtown because I have no idea where any of the pumps are. So, yeah, Toronto trip 2021. Here it is. It took me 20 minutes just to try and find a gas station in this city. Don't ever go looking for a gas station in Toronto because you will never find it. It's like a fucking unicorn. Yeah, you can stop. It's a unicorn. You'll never find it. I got lucky. I found one. So, now we got a full tank. Let's try this again. Welcome to Toronto. So, my wife texted me. She said there's Chick-fil-A here in Toronto. So, I'm going to grab that at some point. Chick-fil-A. Yep, we're having Chick-fil-A. It looks like I'm going this way. Whatever. I pretty much went this way before, but anyway, it's Toronto. We're here. We got gas. Things to look at. Places to go.
Yeah. Hey. Turn my vocals up a little bit more, please. Yeah. A little bit more. Yeah. I'm on a new level. 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 Brought me a new shovel. Put these niggas in the dirt. Shame with the new bezel. All my niggas put it work. I'm on a new level. 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 Brought me a new shovel. Put these niggas in the dirt. Shame with the new bezel.
Oh, my wife will love that. Look at that, big fan. Oh, I guess I should have turned there. There you go. I guess a good little place to stop and have a nice Rockstar. What do you think? Yeah, it's Rockstar time. Oh, look where we are. Hooters. And on Yonge. I came to whatever the shops on Hayden. And I'm just looking around here. Oh, what do we got up here? What is this? Oh, did you want the pigeon? The pigeon, did you want to go to Chick-fil-A? Did you want to be in the Chick-fil-A? Oh, look, I am outside the Chick-fil-A. Oh yeah, I found it. It's on this road. This rich road. Oh, wow, look at these houses. Damn. Huh. Oh my God. Whew. Look at this. Look at these houses. I know, it's crazy. Oh. I'm guessing this one right here. This one right here is gotta be, there's Drake's house. That's Drake's house right there. Oh. I mean, that's his. Damn! Look at that. That's Drake's house. I know you can't really see it. This guy working away here. Lots of money. Well, got to see Drake's house. Got a backpack full of Chick-fil-A. It's gonna be chicken delicious. It's been so long since I've had Chick-fil-A, and the one at Kitchener, who knows when that shit's gonna open.
Okay, relieve me. Pins on me, will you kill me? The lounge fly, you bring me. I think I'm free, but the dogs, they won't release me. Don't have a nickel or a dollar, but you feed me. My bottle's empty, but you always refuel me. I feel I'm sinking